Hi everyone, Timotheus here and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that gets a lot of us fired up, financial freedom. Imagine escaping the 9 to 5 grind, working on your own terms and generating income even when you sleep. Well, guess what? There's a powerful tool that can help you achieve this dream, and that's by blogging for passive income. Let's face it, the traditional work model can feel like a hamster wheel. You work hard, get paid, and then right back to the wheel you go. But what if there's another way? Passive income offers a solution. It's income that keeps flowing in with minimal ongoing effort after the initial work is done. Now let's talk about blogging. Think of your blog as your online headquarters, a platform where you share your knowledge, expertise, and stories with the world. It's like having your own digital newspaper filled with content that resonates with your target audience. But for us entrepreneurs, blogging goes beyond just sharing cool stuff. It's a powerful tool that can help us do the following. By consistently creating valuable content, you establish yourself as a trusted voice within your niche, attracting a loyal following. Your blog becomes a digital storefront, showcasing your brand and expertise to the world. Blogging allows you to engage with potential customers, understand their needs, and build strong relationships. Here's where things get exciting. Your blog can be a goldmine for passive income through various monetization strategies. Let's explore a few popular ones. The first is affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products and services on your blog. When readers click on your affiliate link and make a purchase, you earn a commission. It's a win-win. You can also partner with ad networks to display targeted ads on your blog. Every time someone clicks on an ad, you earn a small commission. You can also share your expertise by creating ebooks, online courses, or other digital products that your audience can purchase and download. As your blog grows, brands might approach you to create sponsored content, promoting their products or services. Here are some compelling reasons why blogging for passive income is so attractive. Once your blog is established, you can work from anywhere with an internet connection. Say goodbye to rigid schedules and hello to the freedom to be your own boss. The potential for income growth is virtually limitless. As your audience expands, so does your earning potential. Quality blog content continues to generate income for years to come. The hard work you put in upfront keeps paying off in the long run. Now that you're fired up about the potential of blogging for passive income, where do you begin, you may ask? Choosing the right platform to build your blog is so crucial. Think of your blog as your online business. You wouldn't build a restaurant or on the foundation of sand, would you? Similarly, you need a solid, user-friendly platform that can grow with your success. Here are some features to consider, some key features. Building and managing your blog should be intuitive, even for beginners. Your platform needs to accommodate your blog's growth in traffic and content. Create a visually appealing and engaging website that reflects your unique brand. The road to passive income through blogging is an exciting adventure. There will be challenges along the way, but with the right approach, dedication, and a focus on creating valuable content, you can turn your blog into a powerful tool for financial freedom and online success. Remember, the most important thing is to get started, embrace the learning process, and enjoy the journey. Feeling inspired to start your blogging journey? Head over to the comment section below and tell me what kind of content you love to see. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more entrepreneurial tips and tricks, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. I wish you good health, wealth, and success.